Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 535, encode and decode TinyURL. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using a hash map and integers. There are more complex ways of solving this problem. However, since the entire aim of the question is just to get the solution working, we can go with an easier solution instead of encoding and actually getting all kinds of hashing involved. So our hash map will be mapping an integer to a string, which will be the URL, and we just keep incrementing the integer that we add. So let's look at the solution. We have a new hash map that maps an integer to a string, and let's just have an integer called I, which is initialized to 0. And when you get a URL and you want to encode it, we would just put that in the map. So map.put, we'll just put I, and then we'll put the long URL in it. And then to return it, we would just return the TinyURL, the main part of the URL, plus the integer itself. Right, so this ensures that every single URL you're getting and you're passing back is unique. And to decode it, we just need to return, we need to get that integer from the short URL, take it from the hash map and return it. So what would you do? So you would say return map.get. So you need to be able to parse it, integer.parseInt, and then you would say, the short URL that you have, you would say replace the main part of the URL that we added with an empty string. So you would just copy this and add that. Perfect. This looks okay. Let's try to compile it and see if it's okay. Of course. Alright, so the first part is okay. Everything else is okay as well. Awesome. So let's quickly talk about the space and time complexity. The time complexity of the entire solution is of 1. And what I mean by that is encoding the string and decoding the string would take off constant time. And the space complexity is of n, since we need to keep adding to the hash map whenever we get new URLs. Perfect. So that's the solution. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And see you all on the next video. Peace.